Welcome back, students. Let us discuss new point, that is significance of index number. What is the significance of index number? The question can be explain the significance of index numbers. Index numbers are indispensable tools of economic analysis. Following points explain the significance of index number. Number 1. Framing suitable policies. Index numbers provide guidelines to policymakers in framing suitable economic policies such as agricultural policy, industrial policy, fixation of wages and dearness allowances in accordance with the cost of living, etc. Second, studies trends and tendencies. Index numbers are widely used to measure changes in economic variables such as production, prices, exports, imports, etc. over a period of time. For example, by examining the index of industrial production for the last 5 years, we can draw important conclusions about the trend of industrial production, whether it shows an upward tendency or downward tendency. That means if the industrial production is increasing or decreasing. Forecasting about future economic activity. Index numbers are useful for making predictions for the future based on the analysis of the past and present trends in the economic activities. For example, based on the available data pertaining to imports and exports, future predictions can be made. So, forecasting guides in proper decision making. Forecasting means to say something what is going to happen in the future. Weather forecasting or market forecasting, what is going to happen, that means what is the trend, what is going to happen in future. Measurement of inflation. Index numbers are also used to measure changes in price level from time to time. It enables the government to undertake appropriate anti-inflationary measures. There is a legal provision to pay the DA, that is dearness allowance, to the employees in organized sector on the basis of changes in dearness index. And the last, useful to present financial data in real terms. Deflating means to make adjustment in the original data. Index numbers are used to adjust price changes, wage changes, etc. So, deflating helps to present financial data in real terms at constant prices. So, in this way, index numbers are very significant or very useful. So, in the question of explain the significance of index number, all these 5 points you have to give and complete your answer. They are very simple. All these headings, that pointers you have to remember and give the answer. Write the explanation in front of that. Thank you very much.